amid the Deputy CM's row in the state of Karnataka, the chorus is growing for Deputy CM and key Vocaliga face DK Shivkumar to take on the Chief Minister's position. Vocaliga seer Chandrasekhar Swamiji has demanded that DK Shivkumar, someone who hasn't been CM yet, gets the responsibility. The seer stated that everyone else has already become the CM and enjoyed the power that it brings. He has requested Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to make up his mind about the same.
ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅನುಭವ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಕಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು.
Now remember, the Congress is already facing calls to have 3 deputy chief ministers in the state. Ministers Satish Jarkiholi, KN Rajanna and BZ Zamir Ahmed Khan have publicly voiced their support for community-specific deputy CM positions, aiming to bolster the party's electoral appeal. Now, to get us more on this, we're crossing over to my colleague Neha. Neha, considering that the seer has now made this kind of a demand, what do you think is going to happen within the Congress's top brass when it comes to making a decision on this?
Well, Asha, it seems like there are some fissures within the Congress party in Karnataka as far as talks of the Deputy Chief Minister are concerned. Now, of course, in the latest, we're seeing here that, a seer there on the occasion of Kempegowda Jayanti has batted for DK Shivakumar there to be made the Chief Minister. But, of course, this is something that the Chief Minister there has gone on to suggest should remain with the High Command. The Deputy Chief Minister also himself has suggested that this is a decision that the High Command should be taking. And all of this comes even as you have the Chief Minister today putting out a whip to all of his MLAs and to all of his Congress leaders, ministers as well, to not make any more comments about this entire issue. In fact, a stern warning there has also been issued to KN Rajanna, senior Congress leader, about not talking on this issue. So we'll really have to wait and see, even as the Chief Minister there is in Delhi along with the Deputy Chief Minister for a host of developmental talks, if at all there's any plan of possibly meeting with the High Command to discuss this issue or not.
Now, is there a possibility that we can see rivalry between those who support DK as the Chief Minister and those as Siddaramaiah as Chief Minister as well?
Well, yes, of course, we've been seeing how ever since the Congress party took power in the state of Karnataka, ever since they've taken charge, there have been talks of infighting within the camp. But at the end of the day, of course, what we're seeing here is the fact that both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister saying that this is a decision now left to the High Command. So whether, of course, there is going to be any more Deputy Chief Ministers that are going to be deployed here, or whether, of course, if at all there's going to be a change of guard now as far as the Chief Minister is concerned, they both maintain that it is a decision of the High Command. We'll really have to wait and see what transpires now after this Delhi trip.